These are fish spines. Hubby just butchered some fish, and the spines, he left a lot of meat on them. So we're going to grill these up. Still good eats. In order to grill up my fish, I'm going to do it on the gas grill actually, but I'm going to take this foil coating thing so that it will keep it from sticking and make it easier for me to pick off the grill since these pieces of fish are actually rather long. I've got my Sable fish marinating in this 2-gallon Ziploc bag, or hefty bag, and I have an Asian marinade in there, and I'll put the description what the recipe is for that Asian marinade. But it does include soy sauce. It's even got balsamic vinegar, ginger, garlic. I've got some salt, pepper, red onion, crushed pepper in there, and green onion. And that's been marinating for about an hour and a half in the refrigerator. And we're gonna get ready to take these off, put it on my foil covering, our protective foil covering for the grill, and we're gonna grill this baby. Now I'm getting ready to put the fish on the racks. You can see they're just the spine, but it has lots of meat on it. There, we've got them all on. Now I'm gonna go and take them and put them on the grill, and we'll be right back. Last one. I'm gonna hold this one a little longer. I had to go wipe it off, and I dipped it back in the marinade that was in the bag. Start over again. I just took them off. They're ready. They look yummy. Let's take them in the house.